Good morning children. Children, in our previous video we learned how to find the circumference of a circle. Today we are going to find the area of a circle. Okay, area of a circle. Area of a circle is the region occupied by the circle in a two-dimensional plane. See children, in this figure, this space is the area of a circle. This shaded space is the area of a circle. Okay. We can use the formula pi r square to find the area of a circle, where r is the radius. R is the radius of the circle. Radius is a line which joins the center and any point on a circle. Here in this circle, this is the center, this is the center, and this line is the radius. Okay, we can use this formula pi r squared. Pi r squared, read it as pi. Pi r squared. Pi r squared is the formula for finding area of a circle. Okay. The unit of area is the square unit such as meter square or centimeter square. We can use other units also, but the common units are meter square and centimeter square. If the radius is in meter, we can use the unit meter square. If the radius is in centimeter, we can use centimeter square. Okay. So children, area of a circle is the region occupied by the circle in a two-dimensional plane. Area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. Pi r squared. Pi is a Greek letter, as I told you. It is a constant value. Pi is a constant value. Its value is equal to 3.14. Value of pi is equal to 3.14. If we divide the length of the circumference by the length of the diameter, we will get this constant value. Okay. R is the radius of the circle. R is the radius. Radius is the length between any point on the circle and its center. Okay. Radius is half of a diameter. Any line that passes through the center of the circle and connects two points of the circle is known as the diameter of the circle. Okay. Diameter of the circle is the line which connects any two points on a circle and which passes through the center of a circle. This point is the center. This is the diameter. Okay. Now let us find the area of a circle using the formula pi r squared. Pi r squared. Okay. Our first question is, find the area of a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter. Radius 2.5 centimeter. Okay. Children, we are using the formula area is equal to pi r squared. R squared means R into R, not 2R. Okay, R into R, 2 times R. Pi, the value of pi is equal to 3.14. It is a constant value into, substitute the given value of R here, that is 2.5 the whole squared. Okay, substitute the given value of R, 3.14 into 2.5 the whole square means 2.5 into 2.5. Okay, this step is very important, children. 2.5 squared means 2.5 into 2.5. You should multiply 2.5 2 times. Okay, then 3.14 into 2.5 into 2.5 is 6.25. 3.14 into 6.25 is equal to 19.6250 centimeter square. The unit of area is in square units. Since the radius is in centimeter, the unit of area is centimeter square. Okay. So children, here we are finding the area of a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter. We are using this formula pi r squared. Okay. The value of pi is approximated as 3.14. 3.14 into, substitute the given value of R, that is 2.5 whole squared. 2.5 whole squared means 2.5 into 2.5. This step is very important, children. Multiply 2.5 into 2.5 first, that is 6.25. Then 3.14 into 6.25 is equal to 19.6250 centimeter square, since the radius is in centimeter. Okay. Now our next question is, the diameter of a circle is given. Diameter is equal to diameter is equal to 6.4 meter. 6.4 meter. First we have to find the radius. As you already learned, radius is half of a diameter. Okay. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, which is equal to 6.4 divided by 2, which is equal to 3.2 meter. Here the unit is in meter. Okay, 6.4 divided by 2 is 3.2 meter. In this question, the diameter is given. So first find the radius. For finding the radius, you should divide diameter by 2. 6.4 divided by 2 is 3.2 meter. Now we have to find the area. Okay. Area is equal to pi r squared. Substitute the value of pi and r square. 3.14 into 3.2 the whole squared. Whole squared. Squared means 2 times. Okay. 3.14 into 3.2 into 3.2. 3.2 squared means 3.2 into 3.2. This step is very important, children. Okay. 3.14 into 3.2 into 3.2 is 10.24. 10.24. Then 3.14 into 10.24 is equal to 32.1536 meter square. 32.1536 meter square, since the given unit is a meter. Okay, the given diameter is 6.4 meter. So children, here the diameter is given. First we have to find the radius. Radius is diameter divided by 2. 6.4 divided by 2 is 3.2. Then substitute the value of pi and r in the given in this equation. That is, area is equal to pi r square. Okay. R square means r into r, not 2r. R into r is r squared. Okay. Do the calculations carefully, children. Hope you all understood this video. If you have any doubt about this, please send me a message. Thank you, children.